What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm just looking at the top of this lid. This is the worm chow bin slash slug bin. Oh, can't see it, but this guy was up on the top. So I have been very pleased. I've been looking in this bin periodically, and I've only found 1 or 2 slugs in like the last week and a half. So that's pretty cool. I hope that my luck continues. Right now, oh, there's a big boy. Just searching. Everything's looking pretty good. And man, this paper towel's seen better days. I think I'll put that kind of in the feeding area. One thing I have noticed with feeding the worm chow, I do have to add a decent amount of moisture to the worm chow, so because it is just dry food. So I guess we'll go more for in the middle. There was another little piece of paper towel, but I think I'm not going to worry about that right now. So, ooh, I got a guy trying to escape. He's a big guy. So, something else I was thinking about adding is just a little bit of coffee grinds. It's another food source for them. I'll go ahead and cover that up a little bit. Take this glove off real quick. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water to the bottom of where I'm going to feed the worm chow. I still have not figured out the proper amount to feed yet. I did switch to the quarter cup. The last time I went about half, and it seems to only last maybe about 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So I think I'm going just a little heavier today, but it's still not going to be that whole amount. Yeah, this is a great little bottle. And over at Planet Fest uses these 1,000 milliliters, and you just squeeze it and the water comes out. So, real quick video today. I am super pleased right now. Like I said, I have noticed a huge reduction in the amount of slugs. Like I said, I think there's 2 in about the last week and a half. So I will keep an eye on this, and then I may actually increase the feeding. So like I said, this typically lasts about 2 to 3 days, and I tend to go about 5 to 7 days before I refeed it, just to allow the worms to kind of keep going through the bin. As like I always say, I don't mind any tips or ideas. If you have any, drop them down in the comments. Let me know if you predominantly feed with worm chow or if you go more with the food scraps. I do like feeding the food scraps, but in this bin situation with those slugs, I'm trying to change it up to try to find a solution that I don't lose the entire bin. Thanks for coming along and watching. Everybody have a great day.